having trouble with a loop, but I'm making a delay at the moment, a time delay on the websites, just to make it a bit longer on each site as it kind of automatically goes on and out. So to get time, you can import time first there. I've got it at the top, and you don't have to download anything like you did with PyWater GUI or a few other things I've downloaded. This one is inbuilt, like import web browser. Import time is inbuilt. So simply, after you want to do something, time dot sleep and however long. I've got 10 in there. I could change that to 15, and that's seconds. 15 seconds. And I've got one further down here after the web browser opens again. Down here, web browser open to another site, time, sleep, 15 seconds again before this next command, which is a cursor move, and then a cursor scroll, and then a cursor move and click. And that's on both the web browser opens. So it's going to go into the first web browser, that's that one, and then it's going to sleep for 15 seconds. Time.sleep 15, and you import time. So I'm going to run that to demonstrate how it works. And then I've got to try and work on some type of loop. That's what I'm struggling on, really, to be honest with you. Worked out all the other parts. So once I've done that, the script will be a lot longer, other sites on it, doing the same type of thing. So let's run this. I'm going to run it in the module, and then I'm going to leave the cursor down the bottom with my hands off the mouse, and everything's going to run automatically. So run module. I've got to save it because I made a very minor change. Okay, and now it's going to start. So that ran in the module, which is on the left. That took its time. Really taking its time. It seemed to sleep before any movement there. Then a scroll. And you can see the cursor is moving up to the top right to come out of sight, and it has done. And now it's going to open again with another delay. That's taken a bit longer than I need it to. Might reduce that to 10 seconds as opposed to 15. Need a delay because things take time to load, you see. Some pop-ups come up, that's okay. And now it's moving back to another XY position, which is top right again, to come out of the site. And it's going to automatically click, and it worked nice. It was quite nice there. So that's all done. So I hope that helps if you're after a time delay using Python.